Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking the phone and getting straight to focus controls. Once done, open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on Face ID devices or up on Home button models. Tap the crescent moon to toggle Do Not Disturb off or long press Focus to see all focus modes. This is faster than digging through menus. It immediately shows which focus is active so you can act without guessing. Make sure you're looking at the current device, not a paired watch. Next, disable any active focus modes so Do Not Disturb stays off. If you long-pressed Focus, tap each enabled mode to toggle it off. Or go to Settings Focus to inspect each mode's details. Turn off Allow Notifications, toggle off any schedules or smart activation, and disable Sleep or Bedtime Focus if present. This prevents the mode from reactivating automatically. Make sure to check Shared Focus across devices. Turning off on one device may not propagate unless Share across devices is enabled. Finally, confirm Do Not Disturb is off by checking the status bar and Control Center. There should be no crescent moon. If it still seems active, restart your iPhone. A reboot clears transient issues. Make sure Share across devices behavior isn't reapplying focus from another device. As a troubleshooting tip, if restarting and toggles fail, update iOS and only if necessary. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings to restore normal focus behavior without erasing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.